check, check, check.
First of all, congratulations to all winners, participants, the organizer, Go Race Philippines, Cycles and Brew, and all the major sponsor of the Overland Gravel 2026. Both 110 kilometers, 65 kilometers, solid ang ruta, solid lahat ng mga kasali, solid lahat ng staffs and organizers. Now, in this video, i-share ko po sa inyo yung some of the bikes and some of the vibes of Overland 2026 Gravel Race.
Hanap ako na ma-interview eh. Wala, yung mga spectator lang yung nandito eh. Shoutout sa mga tropa sa Panga Gravel Rider.
Enrico, Eric.
Bike yan ha?
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about the bike there.
Oh, teka lang. Okay, so ito yung bike ko. It's a 3T Exploro BMW edition. Group set, GRX.
GRX Group here.
Mechanical. Redshift. Oo, para may shock absorbing. Tapos ang it's a Torno crank, 44. And then yung cogs ko 1144.
Victoria Mezcal MTB tires.
MTB tires. It's a 650B.
650B. Kamusta?
Masaya. Oo, medyo hindi ako hindi ako nakapag-track pero ang ganda ng track.
Okay.
Oo, natapos, masaya. At least natapos ko ng buo pa.
Sir, congratulations.
Thank you, chef. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dax Santiano. This is a KTM Xstrada gravel bike. So, custom na siya lahat. So, yung front naglagay na ako ng invert. So, front suspension, the lightest gravel fork available suspension. And then, kinonvert ko siya to UDH. And then, we have a 42 teeth na front chainring with power meter, lease na crank. Ayun, tapos Garbarook na chain nagkaset, 1052 13 speed. Ayun.
Tapos naka-dropper.
Yes, we have a dropper na SRAM din. Oh, happy naman. Actually, at least walang aberya yun. Thank you Lord din na safe kami lahat. So, minimal, parang lumalambot na rin yung gulong ko last few kilometers. At least tumapos pa rin. So, gumana yung sealant natin and all that. Yung Victoria tires, nag-hold siya, nag-seal siya uli. Very happy naman. Very happy.
Yun. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. First of all, congratulations.
Good afternoon, Cycle Chef.
Good morning po pala.
Good morning.
Maaga tayo, no?
Parang mabilis eh.
Mabilis ang
Sumusunod na ako sa iyo eh.
Maaga. So, good morning, sir. Anong pangalan mo?
Abet.
So, what model is that, sir?
This is the Trek Checkpoint Gen 3 SL5. So yung nabili ko is yung frame tapos tinalpa ko lang yung yung dating group set ko. Group set is GRX na 810 mechanical kasi medyo di pa ako sa DI2. Wheel set light bicycle na WG44 from Dance. Tapos wheels, tires Kenda Crusher na 45.
Crusher yung bago gamit ni Alexi. So, napagkamalan ko siya ng Pathfinder.
Actually, kamukha siyang Pathfinder. Oh.
Maganda yung cornering niyan eh. Marami ng Pathfinder. So, let's talk about the vibe, sir. Kamusta? Anong nangyari sa karera? Kamusta?
Yung vibe, siguro dapat next time ganito, i-try mo yung route mo na pinapan ko lang yung mga YouTube video.
Pero, so far, okay naman. Diba?
Overall, sobrang saya niya. Sobrang fun experience.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Cycle Chef.
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Rats. Shout out to OG from Dirty South.
Yes, thank you.
OG, let's talk about your bike.
Yeah.
Bike check muna tayo.
Bike check. This is a Specialized Diverge Expert. Naka 47C tires. I'm using a SRAM Force
That's the
D2
old
wide.
fighters.
Yes.
One of the fastest.
Yes. So, na-expect ko kasi malahar. So, nag-47 ako. So,
Good choice.
yeah. Then, shoutout kay Sir Martin Nilagan. Sir Martin, sabi mo dapat mag-improve. 7th place. Thank you.
How's the vibe? Kamusta?
Gabay, grabe. No, so, nalalangin ako nung huli. Sana umulan. True enough, naging okay naman. Pumatag yung mga lahar. Masaya. Sobrang saya kasi yung ang daming sumali, ang daming mga friends natin dito sa bike community na sumali. So,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
From Dirty South.
thank you, bro.
But please make sure that you hang around.
All congratulations.
Thanks, Chef.
Okay, as always, you race hard.
Yep.
And let's talk about your bike.
Okay, Mike.
Muna tayo.
My bike check. My Brainless Exa Zero na naka-pink decals. Ano ba?
Sorry, Carla, Irie, Opalit,
Sa cockpit, naka-DEDA, bin system,
120.
110 chef. Negative 17.
Awards pa, so
Tapos,
just stay around the area. But okay,
Shimano
but kindly
Pro.
vacate the seats first.
36, 38
Stay
na
in front
bumagsak.
of the stage na po.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung Majin. Majin speedometer.
Looking for
Tapos, Silka water bottle, ay cage, Silka cage.
Badass.
Badass fuel, siyempre.
Then,
Then- Shopee. Shopee.
please come forward and occupy the seats here in front of the stage.
Majin Teo.
Okay.
Then, Zip Explorer na pink din yung decals na may one piece.
Adele Pia Sendrijas.
Then, meron akong tri-pick
Come
pulley.
forward and occupy
Big
the
pulley.
seats here. Any seat available?
Yun lang ba?
Kung wala na po, just
Pasquest chainring. Shopee din.
Shopping chain.
Shopee chainring.
Okay.
Yun.
So, kamusta? Kamusta ang race? Your
Sakit.
vibe?
Sakit sa likod, chef.
sino na ba?
Papalit ako to. Masyadong negative.
Noel Salvador and
Pero masaya.
David.
Masaya, solid.
Please come forward.
Congratulations, Gerard. Thank you. Now, let's talk about your bike first.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
this is bike check and vibe check. Tayo natin yung bike.
So for my bike, it's an NV Mog, size 54. And then with SRAM Force group set and 46 chainring. And yeah, it's a really good bike. The Race Kings, they're pretty good. They're super grippy.
Tire pressure.
Secret yata dapat yun. But it's 23-24.
So, let's
yun.
talk about the bike.
The race, sobrang daming hard hitters.
Yes, totoo.
But we survived. We finished 5th in my age cat.
Nice.
So, thank you.
Ano ang pangalan ng podcast mo? Egg Beater?
Congratulations po for finishing the
Yeah.
kilometers.
Yeah.
Overland Travel 2026. So,
Puta
bike
eh.
check muna tayo.
Well, as you can see, NVMOG. Actually, ito yung pinakaunahang NVMOG. 3 taon na siya.
First ever and pala.
Oo, kaya pinapinturahan ko na siya. So yun, dami na rin setup na nangyari.
Una-unahang MT mo. Tapos, yun, yung bago pang wheelset. I think that's the travel specific 4.5 Pro.
Yes. Sinuwerte tayo, kauna-unahan ulit na 4.5 Pro na gravel. At nagamit natin ngayon. Group set, XTR, tapos nilagyan ko ng Garbarok na kaset. Garbarok na chainring na T40 lang.
Onboard power meter.
Ashoma.
So, you're running 50C
50 sa harap. Suggestion mo yan eh.
sa harap, sa likod,
45.
45.
Yeah. Suggestion mo yan eh. Susunod ka ta, di ba? Yan.
So,
Okay naman siya.
tire pressure.
Oh, 28, 25.
Nice. So, on your bike, kamusta? Vibe check. Kamusta ang race?
Ang saya, ang sarap mapulikat. Ganda.
Nawala yung mga
Nawala actually, mas mahirap yung recon kesa yung race.
race. Okay, congratulations.
Alright, congrats, Chef.
Bye, good morning. Ray-Ban, congratulations. Overland Gravel 2023. So, bike check muna tayo. So, this is the 3T. Anong model to?
Exploro Primo with
Group set.
naka ano siya, rival na 1x 40-44.
40-44. So, handlebars.
38, flared
38 at the top,
42.
42 at the drop.
Terra Trail 45.
Kamusta ang takbo ng Terra Trail?
Smooth. Sobra. Bagay na bagay sa
First natin ngayon.
yes,
Tire
compact.
pressure.
Tire pressure 2.4. 2
Bars. Bars.
2.3 something harap plus 2.4 likod.
So, what's your vibe? Vibe check naman. Kamusta ang race?
Sobrang solid. Napakasarap nung race ngayon. Hindi umulan.
Iba dun sa niruta natin.
Yes, yung lahar na compact siya. And syempre ito na naman yung pinakamasayang weekend para sa mga gravelista.
Tsaka ang tulin.
Yes.
Daming heavy hitters.
And thankful kay God kasi walang disgrasya. May mga overshoot tapos pero ano naman, tolerable naman. Kasi madami tayong corner eh. Corner tapos sand.
Pero
So,
okay naman.
yes.
Yun, congrats bro.
Thank you.
To 37. Give it up for Wilfredo Burgos. It's been a while, P30 South. Thank you for joining us. Third place.
Good afternoon nga pala, si Nick. Congratulations for finishing the 2026 Overland Gravel Race 110 kilometers. Bike check tayo, Nick, and bike check. Unahin natin yung bike check. So that's the factor.
This is the Factor Ostro Gravel. Size 49 to. Size 49. Pero yung handlebar niya galing sa Aluto to. Aluto. Oo. So naka-flare siya ngayon eh. Naka-flare siya. Sobrang stable. Sobrang dagdag stable siya dun sa nakakatulong siya. Although yung OG mismo, yung fork pa lang niya, talaga stable na talaga sa So dagdagan mo pa nung stem from Aluto. Mas dagdag pa. Group set ko is GRX 11 speed Di2. Wheelset ko is Loon Rapid with 40 40C na na Tufos Sampero. Para sa race na to ginamit ko 30.
Protected 40C.
Oo. 30 siya. 30 harap sa likod.
Okay. So, let's talk about the bike check. Kamusta ang experience?
Okay naman.
Overland
Ha?
Gravel.
sobrang sulit. Kailangan talaga medyo paghandaan talaga eh. Kasi marami nang ngayon talaga pinaghahandaan yung mga ganitong event. Oo, the more na itong event na to, lahat pinaghandaan talaga.
So, yun. Again, congratulations, Nick. See you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes.
Ayos, inspiring.
Okay, thank you, Chef.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congrats, Chef. Congrats.
Specialized S1.
Junior, race car number 533.
So, talk about the bike check.
So yes, this is the all-new Crux 5. The wheel set is the Terra Aero. So this is also new. 27 internal with a 45C tires, Pathfinder. Also new cockpit. It's the one-piece Terra. So it's more compliant compared to the one-piece na the road bike specific handlebars. So it's a size 52. It's freaking fast. I don't want to say so much because I will sound hard selling, but the bike is fast.
Yeah.
It's great.
But when I check the social media, around 4 a.m., the
Winner of Unbound is 123 Crux 5. It says a lot. Fast. The bike is fast. So yeah. Vibe check. The vibe is so fine. So fine. Ayoko magmura, Chef. I-YouTube mo to eh. So atmosphere so nice. You know, our friends are just seeing our friends riding with them, racing with them. It's incredible. seeing a lot of people smiling after, finishing the 110, the 65. Jumbo did, Go Clark did a great job. You guys from Pampanga doing, welcoming people is so great. So yeah, keep on doing it. Congratulations, guys. So yes, on to our next one, which is Gravelton. Let's go! Let's go!
Ira, because of that, we have to see you in the next race, okay? Dapat more of those placards, Thank you, ladies.
So that's it guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video ito na pinresent ko po sa inyo at sana magkita-kita ulit tayo sa mga susunod pa nating upload at sa mga susunod pa nating gagawing video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up at kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe at my YouTube channel. For the bike check of my bike, siguro sa future na kasi meron pa akong mga gustong gawin at meron pa akong isi-share sa inyo na capabilities ng bike na ito. So nagawa na nating mag-adventure ride dito sa bike na to, na-erase na natin siya at meron pa tayong ilang mga gagawin sa bike na to para ma-share ko sa inyo yung full capability at para ma-review natin siya ng tama at ma-share ko sa inyo kung bakit ito yung bike na ginagamit natin sa ngayon. Sige po mga kapadyak, again maraming salamat po. Ride safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. Cycling Chef po.